Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today we're drawing Luigi from the Super Mario universe, but with a fun twist. Instead of his official Nintendo design, we'll transform him into a charming rubber hose cartoon inspired by the classic animation style from the 1920s and 1930s. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. It really helps the channel grow and allows us to create even more drawing tutorials for you. Grab your pencils, get comfy, and let's have some fun. Let's begin with Luigi's eyes. Draw two tall oval shapes, keeping them large and expressive, just like in classic cartoons. Next, draw his large, rounded nose. Later, we'll color it pink to enhance that playful rubber hose look. Oh, and if any section feels challenging, don't hesitate to pause the video and take your time. Drawing should always be fun and relaxing. Now add the thick eyebrows above the eyes. These simple shapes help give Luigi his cheerful personality. Okay, maybe like this. Let's add the ear using a simple rounded shape with a few inner details. Time for Luigi's iconic mustache. Make it large, bold, and curvy. It's one of the most recognizable features of both Mario Brothers. Unlike the original design, our rubber hose Luigi will have his mouth hidden beneath the mustache, creating an extra funny and vintage cartoon appearance. Now, draw the cheeks and the long pointed chin. Compared to our rubber hose Mario tutorial, Luigi's head is slightly more elongated, helping distinguish the brothers. Now, add the brim of the cap, extending over the forehead. Luigi's color was originally chosen partly to help players tell him apart from Mario in multiplayer games. While Mario is usually portrayed as brave, Luigi is often shown as more cautious and easily frightened. Let's draw the top section of the hat with a tall, rounded shape. Despite being nervous at times, Luigi repeatedly saves entire kingdoms throughout the Mario series. Add the sideburn and the hair visible behind the neck. These small details help complete Luigi's silhouette. Inside the white circle, carefully draw Luigi's famous letter L. Let's move down to the body. Draw a large teardrop-shaped belly, just like we did in our rubber hose Mario tutorial. Now, create the overall straps, and don't forget the two large yellow buttons. If you're enjoying the tutorial so far, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. And if you'd like to learn how to draw even more characters from the Mario universe, click the card above and check out our complete playlist. You'll find Mario, Peach, Toad, Yoshi, and many other fun tutorials waiting for you there. By the way, inside this same playlist, you'll also find our tutorial showing how to draw Luigi in his original Nintendo style. That version turned out super cute and looks amazing, so be sure to check it out too. And tell me in the comments, which character should we draw next? Time for the left leg! This is the cherry on top of the rubber hose style. Make it long, bendy, and tube-shaped. At the bottom, draw the oversized cartoon shoe with a soft, rounded shape. The game Super Mario World helped make Luigi even more popular among Nintendo fans around the world. In many Mario sports games, Luigi is known for being one of the most balanced characters. Now, mirror that shape on the other side to create the right leg. Luigi's Mansion turned Luigi from a sidekick into a major Nintendo star. The green color associated with Luigi has become one of the most recognizable character color schemes in gaming. Finish the pose with the second oversized shoe. Luigi frequently appears alongside Mario in adventures, racing games, party games, and sports titles. Let's draw the left arm, forming a reversed C shape. Curvy limbs are one of the defining features of the rubber hose style. Add the left glove resting on Luigi's waist. Today, Luigi remains one of the most beloved video game characters ever created. Don't forget the classic retro cartoon glove details. Now, draw the right arm curving slightly upward. At the end of the arm, create a thumbs up gesture. In this style, we're using 4 fingers, a classic technique often seen in vintage cartoons. Look at that! Our mustache twin hero looks incredibly funny, charming, and adorable in this rubber hose version. For colors, I'm using green for the hat and shirt, blue for the overalls, brown for the shoes, yellow for the buttons, pink for the nose, and white for the gloves. Feel free to use any colors you like and make your own unique version. And here's our Luigi! Super fun and charming in this rubber hose version. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!